Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by opening Tradingview and loading the chart you want to modify. Then click Pine Editor at the bottom of the screen to reveal the indicator code. If the top line reads // version equals 4, change it to // version equals 5 to use modern functions, or keep v4 if you need legacy behavior. Before editing, select all code and copy it to a local file as a backup. This prevents data loss and lets you restore the original indicator if needed. Focus edits on the input, declarations, and core calculation lines. For example, change input, 14 length to input, 21 length to alter smoothing or swap input color. Red line color to change visuals. Adjust computations such as SMA, close, length, or RSI, close 14 to reflect new parameters and rename variables to be descriptive. Make incremental edits in useplot or label. New, debug outputs to verify intermediate values and behavior. After editing, click Add to Chart to compile the script and immediately see how it performs. Review the console for compiler errors and fix them iteratively. Use Save or Save as to create named versions, adding notes about what changed so you can roll back or compare. When satisfied, use Publish Script to share publicly or choose Publish privately for personal use. Always test across multiple symbols and timeframes before publishing to ensure stability and correct behavior.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.